Okay, so this is what you're gonna need for your chili. All right. The brand name doesn't matter. Okay. So you're gonna need some bell peppers, onion. I'm gonna use this large onion, 2 bell peppers, some garlic, a lot of garlic, some ground, either ground chuck or ground beef, ground sirloin, whatever you want to use. Some beef base, some chili sauce, some hot dog chili sauce. I know it sounds weird, but this recipe was kind of done on the fly one day when we didn't really have a whole lot of stuff, and I just wanted to make some chili, and I didn't want to go to the store. So I improvised, and it came out really good. 3 cans of the Rotel, the mild, some cheddar cheese for the top, some chili powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, and some fresh jalapenos. Use as many of the, you don't have to use those are optional, you don't have to use them. I can't find mine, I have no idea. They might be in the freezer. I might put them in the freezer, but I'll check. But if you do, normally I use like 2 or 3 of those. It's up to you. But that is that. So let's get started. Okay. So first thing I do is I cook my ground beef and then I drain it. It is rainy and cold outside, so I was gonna make quesadillas, but then I said it's cold and rainy outside. Let's make some chili. So this is almost 5 pounds of ground beef, and I'm gonna use the whole thing because last time I only used like half of this pack and it was gone in a day. Okay. So you want to get this meat browned up, and I don't season it right away. I don't season it until after I've browned it and drained it. You can use whatever meat you want. You can use ground beef, ground chuck, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever. You can use no meat if you want to. Just add in extra vegetables and add in some like portobello mushrooms instead of the meat. That'd be really good too. And then just, you know, fill it with some beans. We don't really like beans in ours, so that's why I don't put beans in it. But you're gonna let this brown, and you're gonna drain it, and then I'll come back. Okay, so now that your meat is drained, put it back into your pot. You're gonna add your vegetables. And I like to let my vegetables cook a little bit. I like to let the vegetables cook a little bit. Excuse me. And they'll cook about 5 to 10 minutes until they just, you know, cook down a little bit and saute into the meat. And then I'll be back. Okay, so now that your vegetables and your meat have cooked together for a few minutes, now you're gonna add in your spices. I like for my spices to cook a little bit and to saute a little bit. It just gives out a better flavor versus adding them into the liquid. You're also gonna add some salt. I didn't put that in the original ingredients list, but you're gonna do that. You're gonna add all your spices. You're gonna taste it to see if everything tastes okay, and that's fine. Taste it there, then you're gonna let it go for about 10 minutes, and then you're gonna taste it again. Don't be afraid to taste it. That meat is cooked all the way through. taste it, because you want it to be flavorful. You want it to be well seasoned and flavorful. So go ahead and stir it together and let it go for about 10 minutes and check it. Okay, so now that that's gone, you're going to add in your tomatoes and your chili sauce. You do not just drain the rotel. Do not drain the rotel. Just let it go in as it is. And then you're going to add in your chili sauce. Use a spatula, rubber spatula, to get it all out of the cans. And you're going to add about 2 cans worth of water. You're going to stir that. Make sure it is, well, combined throughout the chili. And you're going to just add 2 cans of water, like I said. And then you're going to just let this go for at least an hour. A couple of hours or better, but just let this go. Simmer. You can let it simmer all day if you wanted to. You could even dump this in a crock pot at this point and just let it simmer all day. Okay, so this is several hours later. You can add beans in if you want. I'm not going to add beans because we don't really like it. I mean, they'll eat it, but and I made a pan of cornbread to go with it. And I got some cheese to go on top. You can do sour cream, whatever on top you want. My kids don't eat sour cream, so. So let's see. Cornbread is soft. Alright, so there you go. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it and subscribe, and let me know, what do you eat on a cold, rainy day? So I'll see y'all next time. Bye.